Qornim rosa ochdi. Welcome to a new class. Today, Hungry Saida is with you. Qorni ochgan Saida is with you and we will be learning how to make an order in a cafe and not be hungry anymore. If you like this topic, press like. And let's go. Like-ni bosib, boshlaymiz. So, as usual, first we'll look at the vocabulary, then I'll show you the dialogue itself, and then we'll analyze the script of the dialogue. I think by this time you are already able to make an order in a cafe in Uzbek. This time we will be learning how to make an order in a European cafe, right? Because for national food, we have to use other words. Let's look at the words that we will be using today in our dialogue. So, yaxshi qiz means kind girl or good girl. But actually, this is an expression which we use to address a waiter or waitress. I mean, waitress. A waiter would be yaxshi yigit. Yigit is like lad, but yaxshi yigit is like an expression. Instead of saying oppa or aka, which is common for using for older generation or middle-aged generation, when it comes to young generation, we use yaxshi qiz, yaxshi yigit. Yaxshi qiz, yaxshi yigit, assalomu alaikum. So it already means you are ready to make an order. The verb bermoq means give, right? To give. So we will be using it. And then we have tez, like fast, quick. Tayyar, which is ready. And I usually use it. Tayyar mısınız? Are you ready? Let's go. Let's start. Then hisab kitab is like calculation or bill. Hisab kitab qiling or bidding, which means please do the calculation or give the check. Give the bill. So, let's watch the video itself and come back to it later. Come back to me later. Yaxshi qiz. Assalomu alaykum. Xush kelibsiz. Assalomu alaykum. Yaxshimisiz? Menyu bering, iltimos. Rahmat. Mana menyu. Rahmat. Cappuccino bormi? Cappuccino bor. Alfredo-chi? Alfredo bor. Cappuccino, Alfredo va bitta Cezar salat. Aha. Tez tayyor bo'ladimi? Ha, tez tayyor bo'ladi. Keyin hisob kitobni ham bering, xo'p? Xo'p. Hozir olib kelaman hammasini. Rahmat. Welcome back. Did you like the video? Was it hard? Even before we start doing this, you can already assess how much complex it was. 5, not complex at all, easy to understand. And 1, yes, so hard, so difficult. And 3 is okay. Can you write it here in the comments box? And we are moving on and analyzing all the words that were heard in this dialogue. So the first expression is yaxshi qiz. Excuse me, like, kind lady, could you please come to me so I make an order? Assalomu alaykum, yaxshimisiz, rahmat, xush kelibsiz. Pay attention that it sounds like xush kelibsiz, kelibsiz, not xush kelibsiz. It's shorter, xush kelibsiz. Menyu bering, iltimos, bering, please give me. Imperative verb, right? Mana menyu, here it is. Rahmat, xo'p. Xo'p is like some word that we also use not just to say okay, or we can also say, so, like, taking a pause, transition. Xo'p, cappuccino bormi? Do you have cappuccino? Bor. Yes, we do. Alfredo-chi, do you have pasta Alfredo? Bor. Cappuccino, Alfredo, and bitta Caesar salad. 1 Caesar salad. Xo'p, okay. Tez tayyor bo'ladimi? Will it be quickly ready? I guess she's really in a hurry. Ha. Keyin Then hisob kitobni ham bering. Xo'p. Then please give me the bill too. Okay? Xo'p bo'ladi. Yes. Rahmat, rahmat. And that's it. Isn't it easy? I feel like it's easy. Of course, when you come to a cafe of national food, you will have to use, you can't say Alfredo or Caesar salad or cappuccino, maybe. Some of them do have cappuccino. Some of them do have Alfredo, but mainly it's shashlik, kazan kebab, plov, but even those some of you already know. So just change it to those. But when it comes to saying, for example, I want lamb or I want beef, that's when we need to know the details. And I'll come back to you with another dialogue again. For now, let me know what you think about this lesson, and we'll see you in our next videos. And if you're tired of grammar, these kind of dialogues will help us get pause from grammar and learn more of conversational Uzbek. Let me know in comments below if you need more conversational Uzbek, okay? Rahmat dars uchun keyingi darsda ko'rishguncha, or I'll see you in my Telegram channel Uzbek with Saida. Welcome, xush kelibsiz. Xayr.